Good evening. Hello viewers. Welcome back to my channel Balal Language School. Today we learn how to wear and remove face mask. Let's go to talk about. Now we can see here how to wear and remove face mask. Let's talk about this. Before putting mask, wash or clean your hands. Before putting the mask, wash and clean your hands. Holding the hooks, put the mask on top of your nose. Holding the hooks, put the mask on top of your nose and attach the hooks around the ear softly. Make sure there are no gaps around the ear. Make sure there are no gaps around the ear. After wearing, don't touch mask. If you do, wash your hands before. After using, remove mask from behind. After using, remove mask from behind. Throw the mask away into a designated spot or closed bin. Throw the mask away into a designated spot or closed bin. Wash your hands properly afterwards. Don't reuse a single-used mask. Don't reuse a single-used mask. We know prevention is better than cure, or only rightly fittings of mask can protect yourself from virus. Thus, we have learned how to fix a mask step by step or properly. Thank you so much for following this step and also for watching this video. If you find this video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel and keep learning with this channel. Thank you so much. Stay well. Have a nice day. Bye bye.